Are you ready to turn what you love into what you sell and build a profitable business online? Well, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Alicia and I've spent the past 8 years building businesses so that I can finally be my own boss, work from home and raise my little girl. After plenty of launched and failed and a couple of successful businesses, I've finally figured out what it takes to have a successful business online. A business that I can now turn my creative hobbies and passions into profits. Here on my channel, I specifically help people to build an online business selling products. Every week, I share tips, tricks, tools, and resources, the same ones that I've used to run and grow successful businesses online. With these videos, I'll help you to create an online business without the overwhelm. Just follow along with me in these videos and you'll be able to create an online business that you love. And to get the latest updates on when I release new videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update in the future. I can't wait to see you in the very next video.